Hi everyone, welcome back to VARTHIKA-TECH. Today I'll be discussing about functions and tasks in the system Verilog. So as we all know that we had functions and tasks in system Verilog. These are the subroutines. These are used as a reusable code to improve the readability to avoid the repetition. By default, every function is a static. So functions are two types like static function and automatic function, where static function will use only one single memory. Automatic function will be using like it is having some different memory for different calls. So it is static function, we are using only one shared memory. Like whenever we call same function like multiple times, the current one will always getting overridden. Okay, and these are all the rules of functions. Function must be executed in the zero simulation time and cannot call a function, and function definitely must return a value. It can have only input arguments. So these can be called anywhere an expression is used. And I'll be discussing this new function in later classes. And here let me explain you about the call by reference and call by value. Okay, so this is the example of the call by reference. So here if you see, this is a module. In module we are using function called double value. So this double value is called here. Okay, uh, here what is mean by call by value? Call by value means it will take the copy of the variable, and it will take the copy of variable as a parameter, and it will execute the code, and the change inside the function will not reflect outside. Okay, let me explain. So here in text we are giving as an x equals to 10 before function call x equals to, and double value display after function call. Okay, here whenever we are calling the double value, the x value will be 10. So these x variable, it will take the copy. Okay, not the original one. So whenever you call the double value x, whenever you call the subroutine of function, it will take the copy of the variable as a parameter num, uh, as a parameter, and it will calculate here what it is there. The 10 to the 20, the number value will be getting as a 20. Okay, so the display will be 20 here. Okay, so after function call, here x will be 20 and here x will be 10. Okay, see, so the value inside the function will not reflect the value outside the function, because we are just copying the variable. Okay, we are passing the copy of the variable, not the original one. This is about call by value. And next one is call by reference. In call by reference, the actual variable is passed, so any modification affects the original one. So previously, when we use call by value, it will take the copy of the variable, and the copy of the variable will be calculated here. Whatever the changes inside the function, it won't reflect outside the function. But in call by reference, when we uh, in call by reference, the actual value is getting passed. Okay, this value is getting passed, not the copy of the variable. So whatever the reflect in the inside the function will reflect in the outside function. So this is about call by value and call by reference. So here if you see, and if you want to have call by reference, we need to have a keyword like ref. Okay, we need to mention ref. But if you don't mention ref, it will take as a call by value. Here you are calling the double value of x. Okay, here when you are calling this function double value, it is taking the original one, actual variable, not the copy variable. So the num will reflect in outside the function here. Okay, whatever the num value we get inside the function will reflect in the outside the function. This is about the call by reference. And next we'll be seeing the examples here. So our functions are synthesizable. Yes, as I discussed before, functions are synthesizable as, like, if we use the functions inside the RTL. Okay, if we use functions inside the RTL, as we know that function don't use any wait statements, delay statements, all these things, and it won't call a task also. So if we use only pure combinational logic inside the function, so it will act as an it will then the functions are synthesizable. Otherwise these functions are not synthesizable. And one more thing, the functions will be which are using inside the UVM are not synthesizable, because UVM runs in simulation domain, okay, not hardware. What is exactly synthesizable means which convert that particular code into hardware, okay, hardware logic. And next is pass by value or pass by reference. Write a function to swap two variables, which you will be use pass by value or pass by reference. So here swapping two variables means if a equals to 10, b is equals to 20. If this is an input, I need to get output as b is equals to 20 and a is equals to 10. This is the swapping of a variable inside a function. Okay, what they said, whether we are using pass by value or pass by reference. As I discussed previously, pass by value means it will only call the take the parameters copy of the variable, but pass by reference it will take the actual value. So as we need swapping of two variables, if we want to reflect the same code outside the function, we need to use the pass by reference. Okay, so as I said, if I want to act the function as an pass by reference, we need to mention it as an REF. So here if you see, this is a function and this is a initial. Okay, here swap x comma y. Whenever you call swap x comma y, this x comma y here we are giving as an ref into a, ref into b, which means it will take the original values. Okay, we are it will take the actual values. So inside that, what we are doing, we are swapping. We took some temp variable. A value is assigned to temp and b value is assigned to a, and a value and temp value will be assigned to b. So here what we are passing a and b as 10 and 20. So here temp will be 10, a will be 20. Okay, and here a we are assigning to b. Okay, then here b is 10 value, a is 20 value. Okay, here we are swapping the value. Here we will be getting the value. If you see here, before swapping x is 10, y is 20. After swapping x is 20, y is 10. So this is about pass by value and pass by reference by functions. If you like the video, please like and share. Thank you.